hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from trigonometric ratios and identities. The question is prove that cos cube theta sin 3 theta plus sin cube theta cos 3 theta equal to 3 by 4 sin 4 theta. Okay, here the formulas we'll use here is sin 3 theta is equals to 4 sin 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And for cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Next, sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, these are the formulas we will use in this problem. So, coming to the question, we have cos cube theta into sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus sin cube theta into cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which implies multiply the terms 3 sin theta cos cube theta minus 4 sin cube theta cos cube theta plus 4 sin cube theta cos cube theta minus 3 sin cube theta cos theta, which implies these two are opposite signs, so both get cancelled. Remains what? 3 sin theta cos cube theta minus 3 sin cube theta cos theta. So in these two we can take 3 sin theta cos theta common. Here 3 sin theta gone and here one more cos theta gone. So remains cos square theta, and here 3 1 sin theta gone and one cos theta gone. Here sin square will be left, sin square theta, which implies 3 sin theta cos theta into this formula what? Cos 2 theta, which implies this I am writing as sin 2 of sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta, which implies this becomes what? Sin 2 theta plus sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta, which implies sin 2 theta cos 2 theta plus sin theta cos 2 theta, right? Which implies here what I am doing is 2 by 2. 2 is multiplying and dividing by for this expression. What will get? 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta by 2, which is equals to this becomes what ma? Sin of 2 into 2 theta. That means in the place of theta we are having 2 theta. So that's why like this we got. Plus this part becomes again sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2. Again what I am doing is again multiply and divide by 2. 2 sin 4 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2 into 2. What I am doing is just I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay. So why we are multiplying and dividing? Means to balance the given expression. The expression must not be changed as we multiply or divide like that. So that's why if you are dividing for the denominator, for numerator also you have to divide. If you add, if you have to add for both. If you subtract for both. Means whatever the operation you are doing, that must be done for both numerator and denominator, so that no change will be there in the particular expression. Okay, so this what you will get? 2 sin 4 theta plus this becomes again 2 sin of 2 into 2 theta by 4, which is equals to 2 sin 4 theta plus sin 4 theta by 4, which is equals to 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 4 sin of 4 theta. Got? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, any topic if you have, specify that in the comment section. I'll make it a separate video. Okay? Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.